So I start right now. Hello everyone, we are Coleder Display, and this year we bring our new product, ISE Blog, ISE Wall series. This is for the conference room and meeting rooms. You can see it's very convenient to install. Just the hook on the wall. It's really thin, like a big TV. All the parts can go front, so all the jobs, repairing jobs, can done in front of the screen. Here we have the remote controller. Yeah, you can choose. Yeah, you can switch the channels, or you can switch the Windows interface, and also this product can in the future we will make it touchable. Yeah, it's simply is ready. So I think it's a really great product for the conference room and the meeting rooms, and you can have the HD and 4K screen. Yeah, in the meeting room. Yes.